All right, let's get right into it. Let's get right back to it. We left off. Just a quick update on this BTC trade that I was in. So it had the position way down here. I think we left off, it was something up in here right around like a 5.74, 75, something like that. Well, price ended up moving up a little higher. I had my stops at break even. I was just letting it ride, just letting it run until I came or saw the market come to a spot that made sense to go ahead and remove some off the top. Because if you look at it from a daily time frame, if we do look at it from the daily time frame, we can see that we've had, well, let's even go out to the weekly. On the weekly, we came into this previous support area and we bounced from it once again. Came in here, it was previous structure resistance in this area, broke up above it, came back, retested it, rejected it to the upside, came back into it again, creating a double bottom. And that is, this leg is what we were entered in on. So we're in a major structure support level, which could provide a huge bounce. Now, like I said, I'm not expecting it to go all the way up and retest previous highs, but if it does, that's just a plus. So let's get into the update. What did I do? Price then climbed up higher. Over the next day, climbed up to about a 6R take profit. I think I will have it on screen somewhere. 44683.33. Let's go ahead and put it in. So we ended up getting about a 6R. Now I closed out right when the price was up here too. So I manually closed out. I didn't have a take profit or anything. Not usual for me, but with this massive runner, you know, I had to go ahead and let it go. It came up to previous structure resistance right in here. If we zoom out on the 4 hour, we can see that this was previous structure resistance before. So price just came right around in this area. And I was like, this seems like a good enough spot to go ahead and close half of the position. So I had 2 lots open, closed out one for a pretty decent profit. I'll have it on screen, you know, got to come with the facts. But yeah, just wanted to update, man. Nice and easy, simple way to get into the market using the simple concepts that I go over here on the channel and that are also provided in the program. So you can learn how to take trades like this in the program as well. Go ahead, check it out. And then as well, it's not supposed to be that complicated, man. Trading's not that hard. The hardest thing about this trade was obviously getting in on the right position and then just holding over the last few days, just holding it and letting the market do what the market does. Now that I've closed half of this position with my stops at break even, what do I always say? Stops at break even. I don't care if it comes back to the entry. This is a risk-free trade, so I have nothing to lose, only more to gain. Now, if it starts to break up above these levels in here, if we do start to get a break above, start to climb up in here, I might move my stop loss in profit some, maybe in some of these areas right in here, just to go ahead and to secure some profits. But I just wanted to quickly update what has been going on. Ended up closing half of the position up here at these highs, and prices then started to play around, consolidated, deciding where it wants to do, break up higher, come back and grab some liquidity to then go up higher, hopefully in my favor. Just quick and easy update. Just wanted to go over real quick. 6R, and we still got some running. 6R, that's crazy on Bitcoin too. Like I said, it doesn't have to be the foreign exchange market. It could be cryptocurrencies, commodities, stocks, anything. Once you learn how to trade the market, possibilities are endless. Hope you're having a profitable day on and off the charts. And until next time, I holla.